Hi, my name is Mary Colin and welcome to your sweet and kind yoga before bed. We're going to stretch it out, twist it out, and breathe it out so you can get ready for bed and get a good night of sleep. Let's get started. Meet me in Hero's Pose, please. Bring your knees and legs together and find a seat on your heels. And if you feel like it, you can close your eyes, so just find a soft gaze instead. You may just rest your hands here on your thighs and breathe. Notice your breath moving in and out, and your legs touching the ground below you. Take a generous breath into your lungs, fill up. And as you exhale, allow your thoughts of this day to drop down your back all the way down into the earth. One more, breathe in, fill up. Breathe out and let the day be behind you. One last time, full breath in. And on your exhale, any last tension in your shoulders and neck, let them dissolve. Beautiful. Open your eyes and come into puppy pose. First, come into tabletop. Bring your knees up with distance and walk your hands forward. Rest on your forehead or chin. And keep your hips over your knees. And just breathe here. Let this pose gently open your heart space. One more breath in. One more breath out. Crawl your fingertips back, press yourself up, and find a seat on your mat. Swing your legs forward, extend your left leg, and bring your right leg to the outside of your left thigh. Root down through your right foot, flex your left hip and toes. Plant your right hand behind you. Take a breath in, elevate through your heart. Exhale, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Twist over to your right side. Wrap your left arm around your strong right leg. Keep lifting through the crown of your head as you gently open your collarbones wider. Take one more breath in. Stay for your breath out and twist a little deeper. And slowly come back forward, either for cow face legs. Bring your left foot in to the outside of your right glutes. Flex both of your toes. And send your right knee on top of your left. Option also for Sukhasana, where you bring your right leg in front of your left. And you just find a seat like that. If you're in cow face legs, stay rooted in your hip bones, please. Let's add some eagle arms. Swing your right arm underneath your left. Connect your palms and wrists, or option to find a bear hug instead. Now breathe in. Elevate your elbows. Lean back a little. Exhale. Pull your elbows in. Either rest them on your knee or bring them into your chest. And just stay here and breathe. Let any tightness dissolve and surrender into this pose more and more. On your next inhale, slowly unravel your arms and legs and shake them out. Extend your right leg this time. Bring your left foot to the outside of your right thigh. Press down your left foot. Flex your right toes. Cement down your left hand behind you. Take a breath in. Elevate through your sternum. Lengthen up your spine. Exhale, twist back for Ardha Matsyendrasana. Bring your right arm around your left leg. And stay wide and open in your collarbones. Take one more inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist a little deeper. And mindfully come forward, either into cow-faced legs, Gomukkhasana legs, where you guide your right leg in and your left leg on top, flex your toes, or also you have the option for Sukhasana, where your left leg is in front of your right. Either way, whatever you choose, ground your hip bones, keep your toes flexed. And let's add eagle arms. Swing your left arm underneath your right. You reunite your wrists and palms, or bag yourself instead. And take a breath in. Lift up through your elbows, lean back a little. And exhale, either rest your elbows on your knee or bring them into your heart space. And just dissolve here in this pose. Melt down. Breathe here. And slowly, on your next breath in, untangle your arms and legs and windshield wiper your hips this time. Beautiful. Lower down to your mat, prepping for bridge pose. Keep your feet hip width distance. Arms along your torso, almost so you can grace your heels with your fingertips. Breathe in, Seto Bandha Shavasana. Lift up your hip bones. Drag your tailbone toward your knee creases and magnetize your inner thighs. Option to interlace your hands behind or below your back. Roll your shoulders under. Lift up through your heart. Press down through your heels. Take one more inhale, elevate a little more. Exhale, release down your booty. And hold on to your knees and legs. Let's find 3 hip rotations into one direction. And then 3 more in the other direction. And come into happy baby pose. Either grab for your thighs, your calves, or your feet. Pull your knees toward your armpits. Lower your tailbone, your shoulder blades, the back of your head. Take one more inhale, one more exhale. Release your hands and come into legs up the wall. Flush down your legs. Let the energy come toward your heart. Maybe move your feet, roll out your ankles, whatever feels natural here. We're only staying briefly here. Now cross your right leg over your left, either for a single or a double bind for eagle legs like this. Lower your feet, wander your hips over to your right, and let your knees drop over to your left. Now either you can tee out your arms or go post your arms for a deeper stretch in your chest. Optional gaze to your right and close your eyes. Stay for one more breath in. Stay for one more breath out. Deepen your twist. Let gravity to do the work. Slowly guide your knees back to center. Unravel your legs. Squeeze your knees in. And come back to legs up the wall. If you want to, you can still add your foot movements or just find stillness for a few seconds here. And cross your leg over your right leg, either for a single or a double bind. Lower your feet. Walk your hips over to your left. Let your knees drop over to your right side. Again, you have the option to tee out your arms or go post your arms for a deeper stretch. Optional gaze to your left or close your eyes. Take one more breath in here. Stay for your exhale, deepen the twist and let gravity do that twist for you. And come back to center. Hug your knees in once more. And pencil out your body. Arms up overhead. Point your toes away from you. Breathe in, lengthen up even more. Exhale, banana pose. Scoot your arms over to your right and your legs. Cross your left leg over on top of your right. Optional to also grab for your left wrist with your right hand. It's a nice lateral stretch to open up the left side of your torso. And come back to center. Lengthen up. Exhale, banana to the left side. So scoot your arms over to your left and your left leg. Cross your right leg on top. Optional grab for your right wrist. Stretching out the right side of your torso. Come back to center. Breathe in, lengthen up once more. Exhale, hug your knees in and come into side lying corpse pose. You choose whatever side is your favorite. Use your bicep as a pillow and allow yourself to rest here. I'm going to end this video here, but feel free to stay longer. Let this practice marinate a little more in your body. Linger here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you sleep well. Namaste.